How are your 2020 organizing projects going? Now, I'm asking with like kind of a Cheshire cat smile thing going on because if you're having a year anything like my year, like what progress? This year has just felt totally insane. Not all the ways, but in a lot of ways. And getting a lot of our projects done has been one. I keep hearing this over and over and over from people that they wanted to get started and they had all this time and then nothing happened, or they started but didn't finish and they just feel like they're on a treadmill. And I want that to stop. I just need it to stop because there's no reason why you can't experience full organization this year. Now, I know that that sounds crazy, especially if you're home with kids or if you're working from home and you're still juggling, but let me tell you something magical about organizing. Organizing has the capability to put us back in control of our lives. Right? This year stripped us of our control in a lot of ways, and it doesn't have to be that way. The process of organizing is an incredibly healing process. It allows us to feel more empowered, get things done, feel like we are the captain of our ship again. And that is powerful because once you feel that way about any aspect of your life, every aspect of your life gets better. That's why organizing affects every area of your world in such a profound way. Just like organizing has such a positive effect, clutter has a negative effect. When you are in your home or when you come home and the clutter is just coming down on you, that affects your health. It affects your mindset, your well-being, your physical health. Right? Clutter actually helps create insomnia and weight gain. There's a lot of stress that clutter brings into us when it exists in our home. And it doesn't have to be that way. You do not have to live with that clutter, and you certainly don't have to wait for the New Year fresh start or anything else. What I decided to do is to create a 3-month program with the intention of getting you organized before the end of the year. I want you to race into 2021 with a clean slate, feeling good, strong, empowered, like you have everything ready to go for this next chapter. Let's leave 2020's chaos in 2020 where it belongs because we don't need to bring that forward. You don't have to keep that clutter on your back moving with you into the next chapter. It is time to pare down. It's time to free yourself up. So if you feel called, if you are ready to get off the clutter hamster wheel and truly make a lasting change so that you can stop organizing and start doing, anything else, having fun, going and doing hobbies, spending time with people that you love, sitting alone in a room, meditating, whatever it is that you want to do, I want you doing that. Not feeling like you have so much to do and feeling stressed every time you come home. So if you feel called and you want to join us, just click the link below and make sure that you sign up and join us because this is going to be a really special class. In this class, I'm going to be giving you a lot of my personal attention. This is a group class, and I'm going to be having 3 group calls with you every single month to guide you through the process of organizing, to teach you what I know about overcoming the blocks that are keeping you disorganized so that you can truly set yourself free. You have a lot of access to me, and that's an incredibly powerful tool when you're getting organized because you organizing on your own is actually quite incredible because nobody's going to organize the way that you do. And when you set your home up based on how you think, everything is going to go better. Now, what makes that even more spectacular is when you have an expert who's going to guide you through, helping you avoid the pitfalls and making sure that you're accelerating as much as possible at a pace that really works for you. I want this to be a process where you end feeling strong and accomplished and moving forward, and that's what I'm going to give you. So again, if you want to join us, I would love to have you. Sign up at the link below or just go to clutterfreein3, the number 3, clutterfreein3.com and sign up and join us. I would love to have you. It's such a beautiful process to share with you the ability to free yourself from the overwhelming chaos and give yourself back the options of living a life of peace, ease, joy, and most importantly, freedom. And if that wasn't enough, the first 12 people are going to score an incredible bonus. The first 12 people who sign up for the program are going to get 3 free bonus private calls with me. Yes, you get one-on-one time with me where I will walk you through whatever kind of organizing challenges you have or whatever kind of organizing inspirations you have. I will be there to walk you through. You will get 3 of those calls. You'll be able to use 1 a month to help guide you along your process. This is going to be such an incredible experience. I hope that you sign up and join us because your clutter will never be the same.